I am a CDE customer, and I know that it's a lot easier for people to jump on the complaint train than it is the compliment train. But this compliment goes far beyond just one person. It goes to the handling and taking care of customer service, from the people to the phone to the plant to the poles. Whoever it is that takes in the tickets for all the outages, the person who does the communication to get it out to the people that it needs to go to, the person who has to do dispatch to make sure that people get out where they need to, the guys that have to get out of the truck in the middle of the rain and the wind and all the way to the poles. Thank you so much. I think that it's not said enough how wonderful of a job you all have done over the years to take care of us and make sure that we have our safety and security and our electricity back online. And even, I'm telling you, it's not lost to me if it took a month. It doesn't matter. Thank you so much.